Hello, can you solve these types of nonlinear equation? xy plus x plus y, which is equals to 23, yz plus y plus z, which is equals to 31, zx plus z plus x, which is equals to 47. Which values of x, y, z satisfied this equation? Now we have three equations. Here one, equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. First step is adding 1 to every equations in both sides. So x, y plus z plus y plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 23 plus 1. Also yz plus y plus z plus 1, which is equals to 31 plus 1. Zx plus z plus x plus 1, which is equals to 47 plus 1. If a, which is equals to b plus 1, also plus 1, also a plus 1 is equals to b plus 1, because 1 here to the right and the left sides of in both values. Now xy plus x plus y plus 1, which is equals to 24. So xy plus x plus y plus 1, which is equals to 24. Also yz plus y plus z plus 1, which is equals to 32. Zx x plus z plus x plus 1, which is equals to 48. Look at here. Now x1, x, y here also, z here also. So xy plus x, the common value is x. The common value is x. X into y plus 1. Y plus 1. Here, the common terms of y plus 1 is 1. So plus 1. 1 into y plus 1. Y plus 1, which is equals to 24. Also, yz plus y, the common value is y. So y into z plus 1, y into z plus 1 plus, here, z plus 1 is a common value is 1. 1 into z plus 1, which is equals to 32. Zx and z is a common value z. So z into x plus 1, x plus 1 and x is a common value is 1. So plus 1 into x plus 1, which is equals to 48. What's the common terms of y plus 1? Y plus 1. Z plus 1? Z plus 1. X plus 1? X plus 1. So y plus 1 into x plus 1. So y plus 1 into x plus 1, which is equals to 24. Z here, z plus 1, also z plus 1. Z plus 1 into y plus 1. Y plus 1, which is equals to 32. Here x plus 1 also x plus 1. So x plus 1 into z plus 1. Z plus 1, which is equals to 48. 21, 22, equation 2. We can multiply both sides. So y plus 1, y plus 1, x plus 1, z plus 1, y plus 1, x plus 1, z plus 1. It is equals to 24 times 32 times 48. 24 times 32 times 48. 48. Proceed. Here y plus 1 times y plus 1, y plus 1 square. Y plus 1 square. Also x plus 1, x plus 1, so x plus 1 square. Z plus 1 times z, z plus 1, z plus 1 square. Z plus 1 square. It is equals to 24 times 32 times 40. 24 times 32 times 48. Look at it. A square times B square times C square is equals to A times B times C the power of 2. The power of 2. So y plus 1 times x plus 1 times z plus 1, y plus 1 times x plus 1 times z plus 1 the whole square, which is equals to 24 times 32 times 48. 48. Look at it. To avoid 2, both sides by radical. Radical. 2 cancel out by radical. So y plus 1 times x plus 1 times z plus 1, which is equals to radical 24 into radical 24 times here 4 times 4 times 32, 4 times 8 times 6 times 8, 6 times 8. Y plus 1, x plus 1, z plus 1, which is equals to radical 24 times 4 times 6 also 24. 8 times 8 times 8, which is equals to 24 times 24, radical 24, avoid 24, plus or minus 24. Also times 8 times 8, 8. So y plus 1, x plus 1, z plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 24, which means 4 times 6. 4 times 6 times 8. Look at here. Y plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 4. Y plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 4. X plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 6. X plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 6. Z plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 8. Z plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus 8. If the values of x 4, so y which is equals to 3, or y which is equals to negative 5. If the values of x 6, x which is equals to 5, or yes, or minus 7. Z which is equals to 7, or minus 9. Look at it. Here, the values of x, y 3, 5, 7. Look at it. The values of x 5. 5 times 5 times y, which is equals to 3. 3 plus x 5. X 5, y which is equals to look at the y which is equals to 3 plus 3. Is it 23? 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. Also, y z 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 7, 31. Look at also here. Z, which is equal to Z 7. 7 times 5, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. The answer is correct. Thank you very much. If you have any question about any mathematical problems, you can send your question in comment section. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.